So in this video, I will tell you how to convert numbers into currencies in words in Excel. I'm using a formula equal to currency to words. Select the number, enter. It's $10. Control D. It shows like $312. Point numbers $105.05. $100.25. Again $10,000. So you might be thinking that you want your own currency, like maybe rupees or dirhams. We can change the formula like that also. This formula can take the arguments as well. Like if you want to change into dirhams, DIRHAMS, comma, then so and Fils, and Control D. So everything has changed from dollars to dirhams. Rupees also, paisa. Rupees and paisa. So I'll tell you how to do this. You need to go to developer tab. If you don't have the developer tab, right click somewhere here, customize the ribbon, tick the developer tab. By default it will be untick. Click OK. In the developer tab, go to Visual Basic, then insert module, click on this module, go to the text file which has the VBA code, Control A, Control C, Control V, paste the code. And I will give you the text file download link in the description. You can download the text file which has the VBA code. Then save it, close it. Also, please go to File and Save As, Browse, save it as Excel Macro Enabled Workbook. By default, it will be in Excel Workbook or Excel Binary or something like that. Select this, click Save. Then after that, you can use the formula equal to currency to words, then select the Control D. By default, it gives the dollars. If you want to change the currency, you can do like the way which I said. So that's all for the video. If you do like this video, please do like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.